Kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you should never miss any kind of further video from my channel. Thank you. Hello viewers, welcome back. My dear students, in this lesson we are going to take a look at what is market buzz, what is the meaning of market buzz, and what is the purpose of this, which we are going to get from Trading Central. Of course, Trading Central is going to provide us best ever news, whatever it can. Either it can be in technical analysis form, either whatever we want to learn from it. It has tries its best to give us all the best thing for us. Now we are going to take a look at market. What is market? In terms of fundamental news, many people say that buy the rumors and sell the news. Now all the news which is created among the mind of the people, among different people like Brexit, etc., etc., these type of things are going to manipulate a market as well, and they play important role, and this is basically included in the market buzz. Okay, and this is what we are going to get from Trading Central as well. We will take a look at what does market buzz means. This is practice of creating an excitement among the users and the consumer about a particular stock, service, brand or the company. Like I would like to give you example that about the Bitcoin. About 1 or 2 years ago there was so much excitement about the Bitcoin to buy that. Okay, so that excitement was created. Somehow that is also included in the bubble as well, that first excitement and is created and then it is going to fall down. So practice of creating an excitement among the users and consumer about a particular product, stock, asset, whatever that is. So that is included in the market buzz, and it is going to create a hype among the consumer about a particular product. Okay, now this hype created among the people, either it could be offline, either it could be online. For example, all the friends sitting on a bench in a park. Okay, this news will be created that economy of UK is going to downwards. Okay, like for the Brexit issue. So such types of things are included in market buzz. Basically this is an excitement for any kind of currency, stock, and particularly for the stocks, those are run fundamentally. Like if we have any kind of stock, so those are running fundamentally, and those are going to create important role in this as well. So social media marketing is a very important for this. Of course, you know that nowadays social media marketing is really important, and that is going to play important role in this market buzz as well. So social media marketing plays a dominant role in creating buzz worldwide. Now, like for example, we have YouTube, we have Facebook, Twitter, etc., etc., and those type of things are going to create market buzz as well. And in all type of markets whatever we are going to trade, this market buzz is really important as well. Now you have got the concept of it. We will go to market, we will go to Trading Central, and let's take a look on market buzz as well. Welcome back. So my dear students, here we are on personal area of IC markets, and I am going to click on market buzz. Okay, after that I will get this page of market buzz. Okay, so this is important especially at the time of the news. For example, I am going to start with cryptocurrencies. Let's take a look at the BTC USD. For example, if once I will bring my mouse here, it will give me the news publications like 1283 news were published. Now it is going to tell me that 100 news were published, and out of them 51 were social. Okay, and this is the market buzz, and after I am going to click upon this, it will give me some resources, it will give me some links. Now this is for the next, this is for the past 24 hours. Okay, and now it is showing about buzzing of the news, and it is giving me links like, for example, ever FX price 3% up in this week. I can open it up. Okay, and similarly on the social it is giving me this link, Ethereum, etc., etc., and this link, all the news, social, and most discussed topic. Here we can see price gain, price loss, etc., etc., and here we can see some social news. Here we can see news from like American news, etc. So if I am going to click upon this, and it will give me source of that news, etc., etc. So this is for last 24 hours. Let me take a look upon last 30 days. So here we can see 48,447 news were created, market buzzing. Okay, 96% news from the 96% of this is from the news, and 4% is from social media network. And it is telling me about since previous period, right? We can see all the news, price gain, price loss, etc., etc., and we have these. Let me click on this. This is from the Twitter, and it is going to give me as well. Now let's take a look upon some other resources like currencies. We will go to currencies. Okay, all right, so let me take a look upon GBP USD, my favorite pair, and it is going to tell me in last 24 hours we got 130 news, and out of them we got 125 news and 5 news on from the social media. It is going to give me this link, and now this link as well, theguardian.com, right? And from the last 30 days we can see such type of news, right? And it is going to show me this analysis as well, and these type of news links as well. Like for example, here if I'm going to click here, so I will get this. So basically market buzz is to create a hype between consumers for a particular currency, for a particular asset, okay, to manipulate it as well. Okay, so this was the explanation that what is market buzz and how we can use it. Okay, thank you so much.